All right, you guys. Thank you guys so much for showing up for tonight's Industry Games Party. It has been a long time coming. I know you're all excited, and I'm excited that I get the honor of introducing tonight's musical guest, the one, the only, the legendary, Mr. Charlie Wilson.
And then she's sitting there looking at me.
Yeah, walked into the party and I spotted shawty, she holding a beer and she turned and smiling. Yeah, I know she got here before me, but look like her pupils are clear. I've been craving a sober connection, confession. I knew that she'd probably be here because during the week when she all up and stressing and calling and texting, I tend to appear. I got a fetish for taking the problems away, so whenever I'm leaving, she want me to stay. I've been looking for gumption and trying to be brave, but when I'm around you, I just cannot behave. The world is so full of production, I think she'd alone a cappella. So I'm nervously running through words in my mind till I find a good way I can tell her. I really like what you done to me. I can't really explain it. I am so into you. Really like what you done to me. I can't really explain it. I am so into you. I know you sick of the fake. We can just dip out the place. Take you to dinner, we finna partake. Really the one who can make a mistake. I got decisions to make. Am I a cannibal or like an animal? If she just told me she wanna get A. Damn it, that look like a lot on my play. Yeah, and you're fucking with a genius, but they call me up and comer. Beat the pussy up just like an irritated drummer. I'm a lady killer, but I'm iller as a lover. Get a little bit, but you won't never want another. I think you out of this world. Think you becoming my favorite girl. We got a vision, got me on a mission. Make me wanna trade all my diamonds for pearls, yeah. I really like what you done to me. I can't really explain it. I am so into you. Really like what you done to me. I can't really explain it. I am so into you. She looking hot, pricey and I got a car, yeah. Keep it on lock, yeah. Think I'ma give it a rock, yeah. Tugging my heart, yeah. Promise me you'll never stop, yeah. Claim me a spot, yeah. You at the top, yeah. Love me a night, give me as much as you got, yeah. I'll take a little, I don't need a lot, yeah. Don't make me start, yeah. Look at you like you some art, just like I thought, yeah. You with a rock, yeah. Really like what you done to me. I can't really explain it. I am so into you. Really like what you done to me. I can't really explain it. I am so into you.
Oh, wait. No, that's Chicka, nigga.
Student Union, take two, Mark.
Roll it down.
And then everybody could like turn and look.
So everyone, pantomime.
Yeah, we pantomime it all the way through. Y'all can act like y'all were just acting, just no sound. Charlie, 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 Charlie. Killed that shit. That was it.
কোনা গেছে পালেয়া ও বন্ধু নিয়াম তো কোনা লাগিয়া হাইতির বেলা মারেন ধরিয়া হাইতির বেলা খুঁজেন ধরিয়া বেলা খুঁজেন ধরিয়া ঘরের পাঁচত বার ধরিয়া পৌঁছে পৌঁছে পাহাড় আমরা পৌঁছে পৌঁছে পাহাড়ে ঘরের পাঁচত বার ধরিয়া পৌঁছে পৌঁছে পাহাড়ে জল পাইয়ে জল যাচ্ছি জল পালে বেলা পাহাড়ে জল পাইয়ে জল যাচ্ছি জল পালে বেলা পারে দেখেন কমর গেলে নড়িয়া কেমন করি মানেন ধরিয়া কেমন করি মানেন ধরিয়া ও বন্ধু নিয়াম তো কোনা লাগিয়া হাইতির বেলা মারেন ধরিয়া হাইতির বেলা খুঁজেন ধরিয়া ও বন্ধু নিয়াম তো কোনা লাগিয়া হাইতির বেলা মারেন ধরিয়া হাইতির বেলা খুঁজেন ধরিয়া হাইতির বেলা মারেন ধরিয়া হাইতির বেলা